Hey, turkey. Hey, turkey girl. Can we quit watching Grover for a second and take this bite? Do you want this bite? I know. I'm sorry. It's not growing on you yet? You keep taking bites, so I'm not quite sure. You keep taking bites, so I don't know. Yeah? I know it's different. You want to try? Bite. No. Okay.